This tutorial review will show you how to recover deleted Snapchat photos, videos, and chats. First of all, open your Snapchat app, tap on your profile at the top left corner, tap on this gear icon at the top right, scroll down and inside of privacy controls section you will find my data, so tap on it. And as you can see, data available for download, login history, snap history, chat history, our story and spotlight content. Now all you have to need, just enter here your account email address, confirm the email address and select here the date range, and tap on submit request. And after some times I received the email with the download link, so I'm going to opening the mail here and tapping on click here, selecting a browser, and here we can see your data is ready. So all I have to do is just tapping on this my data option, tapping on download, open in, and selecting a folder to save the file. And now I'm going to my file manager, and here is the zip file. I need to extract it. Then I'm going to opening the folder, opening index, and now from here I can easily see my chat history, snap history, profile picture. So that's how we can recover deleted Snapchat photos, videos, and chats. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial Reviewer. See you in the next video.